I want you to see this bird come out. It's on a quarter speed. It's about a couple more seconds away here. He's going to come out and he's going to disappear into a cloak system. Watch. Right there, and watch him disappear over here. Bam. Gone. Just literally gone. You can see him going into it, and all of a sudden he's just gone. And to me, this literally proves that there is a cloak, and you can see the line on the beam of sunlight literally dancing and bending around, and nothing can bend light like that just on a display, you know. This is literally because of a cloak system. And I do see that UAP. I seen him shoot around up here too, like an actual UAP. The other one on the bottom is a bird, but there is a UAP that comes out of that sun at some point. It's really fast. I'll have to find it and show you. Okay, there's about 8 more seconds here before the bird comes out. Right here. Watch him disappear. Look at that. I'll try to get it a little closer here. I'll set that up again. There. Ready? Here he is. Watch him disappear right here. He's coming. Right there. See that? He flies into it and just disappears full speed, and you should see him finish flying across the screen. There is no reason he should be disappearing right there. That does not make any sense. Let me go out to the whole screen so you can see it kind of and show you. There, that should work. Oh, was that? That might have been the UAP up there. Yeah, because it came in right at 11. Yeah, that was. There you go. And if you want to see it full speed, I mean, just push ×4 on that settings on YouTube, because this is ×4 slower. This is a quarter speed. So you go to ×4 to make it normal speed. There's the bird. Bam. Just gone. There's no reason he should have disappeared there, except for a cloak. And if you watch that sunlight, you'll see that beam bouncing and dancing. That was weird. Here, right at right at 10:11. Oh, it's 11:10. Sorry. There we go. Oh. This is the screen that it comes in on. There we go. Is that him? There he is. Yeah. See him? That's a UAP right there. Just flying all kinds of crazy. Jumping. That's a quarter speed. But he just jumps everywhere. It's like he flies and jumps or something. And you hardly see him move from place to place. I have been flying at night. I think it's the same one. It kind of looks like a boomerang. But I mean, it's flying, I don't know, like a regular. It's just, it flies crazy. Alright, I'm sure I've taken up enough time here. I appreciate you guys watching. Share the videos. Give it a thumbs up. Let other people see them. That really helps them get, views. So people even know they're being put out. So I appreciate you guys. Alright, thank you.